Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Have you ever tried to taste sweet, sour, spicy, numbing, and salty flavors all in just one bite? That is what I'm gonna bring to you today. One of the most favorite Chinese restaurant takeouts all over the world, Kung Pao Chicken. Kung Pao Chicken is popular not only because of its mouth-watering flavors, but the tenderness from the chicken, crunchiness from the nuts, and freshness from the green onions. Every bite is full of surprise and excitement. Today's video will show you all the little secrets of cooking Kung Pao Chicken in a delicious way. Follow the instructions revealed in this video. You will sure get your favorite Kung Pao Chicken in less than 20 minutes, even if it is your first try. Now let's get into it. First, we need to marinate the meat. I bought this chicken breast. Need about 1 pound for today's dish. Clean the chicken. Peel off the skin. Roughly slice the chickens, then cut into 1-inch cube. Then transfer into a bowl. To marinate the meat, we need 1 tablespoon light soy sauce to give the meat the foundational salty flavor. Half tablespoon dark soy sauce to brown the meat. 1 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine to remove the smell. And 1 teaspoon cornstarch to bond all the seasoning ingredients together. Give it a thorough rub. Then add 1 teaspoon sesame oil to lock the moisture in the meat. If you ever complain chicken breast is too dry to eat, do it this way. You will always end up with tender chicken. Set the chicken on the side. Move on to the secondary ingredients prep. Kung Pao chicken is famous for its exotic taste. One of the strongest flavor comes from this dry chili. Find your sweet spot between too little, which leads to dull taste, and too much, which ends up with crying over a dish. Another unique flavor comes from this Chinese peppercorns. It is a spice that numbs the mouth while providing some heat. Prepare at least 1 tablespoon. Your taste buds will remember its unique flavor. Garlic, ginger are the can-do-without seasoning items in most of the Chinese cooking. Roughly chop and set aside. We will need more green onions in Kung Pao chicken, at least 4 to 5 pieces. The top white part will be used to enhance the flavor. The bottom green part will be used to bring out the color and freshness. One special add-on for Kung Pao chicken is peanuts. I fried some peanuts the day before. It adds the pleasing crunchiness to the mix. You can also use cashews as an alternative. If this is your first time to cook this dish, make sure you do this following step before you bring on the heat. Good foods calls for good planning. 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon Chinese dark vinegar, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, and 3 tablespoon chicken stocks. At last, 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix them well. Prepare the sauce beforehand will prevent you from accidentally grabbing the wrong bottles, adding too much of one item, and turning your hard work into a hazardous, chaotic mess with the high heat. When everything is lined up, it's time to bring the heat on. Non-sticky pan with high heat. Pour 1 tablespoon cooking oil in. When the oil is slightly smoking, pour the dried chili and the peppercorns in. Stir and let the heat bring out the flavors from the chili and the peppercorns into the oil. When you can smell the flavor in the air and the chili become dark red and the oil is browned, take out the chili and peppercorn. Add the marinated chicken in. Spread the meat and stir until the meat changes color. Then add the garlic, ginger, and the green onions in. Stir and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. When the meat is almost completely cooked through, swirl the prepared sauce in. Mix. Let the sweet and the sourness from the sauce evenly coat the meat. The cornstarch will slightly thicken the sauce under the heat, perfectly for pairing with rice. For the last step is to add in extra green onions for another layer of freshness and a pop of color, and the peanuts for exciting crunchiness. Stir about another minute. Let all the different flavors ingredients combine into each other. Now turn off the heat. Transfer the meat into a plate. Kung Pao chicken is ready to eat. Take a bite. The tender chicken, crunchy peanuts, flavorful green onions, with the appetizing sweet and sour taste, spicy and numbing heat. Put it on top of your rice bowl. Let the sauce soak the rice. Every bite will bring you the fullest joy and satisfaction. Now you have it. The Kung Pao chicken you can cook at home in less than 20 minutes. I hope you enjoy the video and give it a try. Let cooking healthy food at home open the door to the optimal health for you and your family. Subscribe to my channel and explore more healthy eating videos every week. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.